welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Louis. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I do appreciate every like, every comment, every click. Thank you so much. Today I have another bag unboxing, and I'd like to thank firstbags.ru for sending me this bag. This bag is amazing. If I tell you guys, this bag is giving classy, this bag is giving grown women. It's a touch of classy, a touch of, you know, the vibes. You know, I'm in that grown girl era, and knowing me, I have never been a person who likes big bags, but this one, honey, this one is a must-have. Before I actually show you the bag, it's right here. Before I actually show you the bag, I'd just like to say firstbags.ru is a company based in China. They sell replica, quality and affordable bags, from your LV to your Chanel to your Gucci to your Dior. They have them and they're very affordable. They have, like, their website is very versatile. You can check out their website, or you can send them in WhatsApp so that you can have, you know, an insight of everything. I'm gonna leave everything down below in the description box, and of course your girl has a discount code for you guys. If you'd like to purchase from them, you can get 15% off by using my code RUMBID if you purchase an item more than $200. So 15% off on an item that is more than $200, and please use my code, guys. You can save a few bucks. So let's get into the video. So this bag is the LV. It's the Louis Vuitton. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Don't come for me, please. It's the LV on the go bag. It is a very versatile bag. It's your errand bag. Actually, it's your airport bag. It's your staycation bag. It's your grown woman, you know the vibe. It's your business woman. So the bag comes in this dust bag, the LV dust bag, if you guys can see that. The dust bag is actually huge because the bag itself is big. So this is the dust bag, and in the bag you will find like a manual sort of how you take care of your bag, cleaning and maintenance. As you can see that, yeah, your LV maintenance booklet. This is like a leaflet. Inside you have another one, but I'm guessing it's the same thing. Yeah, same vibe. And then the bag itself. Guys, are you ready? Drum roll, please. Are you ready to see this bag? Guys, this is exactly my reaction when I opened the package. I was like, what? I didn't expect it to be this beautiful. It's gorgeous. So, ta-da! I'm screaming. Can I please scream? And we have some commotion for the bag. Look at that, you guys. I am obsessed. Look at the quality. It is insane. Look at that. Look at that. I love this bag. I am obsessed. It's gorgeous, and the quality is just to die for, honestly. And then it has these strings, these small ones, and then you also have two of the big ones, so you can just carry it however you're comfortable with. I am so obsessed. I love every detail of this bag. I love the details here in the corner. I love the detail. What I love most about this bag is the detail of the inside. Look at that. I love the red going on. Red just speaks classy, you know, it just speaks luxury, you know. And look at that. Look at that. The inside is like what material is this? I really don't know the material, but it's this soft material. And when you look inside, there's two compartments. There's one here, and then you have the zipper there, and then yeah, that's the bag. And then because it doesn't have a zipper, you can clip this together when you want to close it. So you just clip this together. I honestly don't know where I'm gonna carry this bag because I value it so much. I can't just carry it anyhow. Like, I can't just carry it anywhere. No ways. Thumbnail. But yeah, this is the bag of the moment. And when we look at the bottom as well, yo, I love it lots. Okay, I love it lots. I don't wanna lie, I love it. I am obsessed. But yeah, guys, this is the bag. Please do check out fastbags.ru. You might just find you affordable yet quality replica bag. Please do comment down below how you guys feel about replica bags. I really don't mind because I can't afford the actual bag, so why not? And when it looks this good, wow, why not? I love it, guys. Love it so much. I can't stop showing you guys, but anyway, we have come to the end of our video, sadly. So please do check out their website. Everything is in the description box, their WhatsApp number and my code. That's the most important thing. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 1K. I am so excited. How do you guys feel about these lashes? Hey, I love them. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll see you on the next